Hey everybody, this is Rob. We are back out at that property we purchased about a week and a half ago. I walked you through the outside before any work has been done. I wanted to show you what we have done in just 5 days. This is how we move properties along, because remember, the longer you hold it, usually the less profit you make. So you got to get moving on these properties. So the first thing we did was we've cleaned up the yard. Let me show you that real quick. So here's what the yard looks like now, completely different. We got rid of those bushes. We've trimmed this tree down just a little bit. We still have a lot of tree trimming to do because those branches there are still hanging over. But we took those big bushes out at the front just to open up the front of the house. And if you remember, it looked like this. This is the picture last week. And as we move forward, we're just gonna stick around the outside. Let me just show you what some nice cleanup does to a house and how easy that is. We got a tree trimmer here cutting some of these down. So as we start going, we start cleaning all the bushes around the house and start opening up these windows, clearing some of this landscaping. And as we move around to the back, you'll notice that we've completely got rid of all the trash. I mean, it is eye-opening how much more space we have back here, what we have to work with, and how easy this is to clean up. We've cleaned out this single-car garage, which is awesome. So let's move into the inside and let's take a quick look and see what has been done so far.